Hi guys, today I will show you how fix problem when game not visible in your Google Play Store on your Lenovo Tab M8. In the first step, we try to search some game, maybe Mobile Legend. We search it. And we don't have it on our Google Play Store. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we tap on our photo on the right corner, and now navigate to the settings. In it, we choose Family and Parental Controls. Now we must change it from page 3 to page 16. To do that, in the first step we tap on it. Now we must connect pin, enter connect pin to parental control, and now we can change it by tap on the page 16, confirm by understood, and save. After that we can go back to the main menu of Google Play Store and try to search Mobile Legend again. And now we have it, we can install it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!